Good morning, friends. It's day 156 of learning. Hope you're ready to have a fantastic day. The weather is outstanding and my hair is cooperating despite the fact that I haven't had a haircut in ages. Well, let's jump in and get ready to do an old favorite song of ours at Morning Circle, which happens to be your favorite and my favorite, the Scarf Song. Go ahead and pause the video for just a moment. Go get yourself a scarf. All right, got your scarf ready? Well, we're going to be turning our scarf into all kinds of fun spring-related nouns. Can you say nouns? What in the world is a noun, you might be asking yourself? Well, a noun is a person. Say that with me. A noun is a person. A noun can be a place. When I say place, I do this because I look for places. And a noun is a thing. For thing, I like to point to my wrist like this, like a watch that I'm wearing. So today we're going to be thinking about spring-related nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a person. A noun is a place. A noun is a thing. Ready? A noun is a person. A noun is a place. A noun is a thing. So we're going to be thinking about people, places, and things with our scarf. Ready? Okay. Well, one of the things that I think about when I think of spring is my garden. So we're going to turn our scarf into a flower. How would we do that? We know that the flower has a stem and it also has a leaf. It has buds. So our flower hasn't bloomed yet. So we're going to make it into a bud. Ready? My scarf is a flower. My flower is my scarf. And if I had no flower, then I would not have a scarf. Now, before we turn it into something else, give it a nice smell. Isn't that a fragrant flower that you've turned it into? So fragrant. Our scarf is a flower. Is a flower a person? A place or a thing? It's a thing. Good job. All right. Shake out your scarf. Let's turn our flower into a bird that just hatched from an egg. So, ready? Take it from the middle and then get ready to make its wings. My scarf is a bird. My bird is my scarf. And if I had no bird, then I would not have a scarf. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, is a scarf a person, a place, or a thing? Thumbs up if you think it's a person. Well, we're persons, we're people. Are birds like us? No. Is a bird a place? Can we go to a bird and hang out at a bird? Nah, it's not. A bird is considered a thing because it's an animal. Even though there are non-living things and living things, a bird is a thing. It's an animal. All right, let's do one more. Let's think. We've done a flower and a bird. Let's turn our scarf into a rabbit because we just learned about rabbits and Easter and all that good stuff. So ready? Okay. So here's how I'm going to turn it into a rabbit. I'm going to make the face like this, bring it together, and these are going to be its floppy ears. Ready? My scarf is a rabbit, my rabbit is my scarf, and if I had no rabbit, then I would not have a scarf. A rabbit is a noun. It is also a thing because it's considered an animal. So in this song, not only did we turn our scarf into some awesome spring things, we learned about nouns. What's a noun? A noun is a person, a noun is a place, and a noun is a thing. Yeah. Well, let's get ready to jump in with phonemic awareness. Get ready for rhyme time. Are you ready? Which word rhymes with coast? Roast or chime? Which word rhymes with think? Talk or blank? Which word rhymes with cheap? Sweep or shape? Which word rhymes with thrift? Drift or bright? Which word rhymes with change? Range or chess? Which word rhymes with thirst? Right or first? Beginning sounds. Today I'm going to give you a set of 3 words, and they're all going to start with the same beginning sound. Ready? Here we go. Shoulder, shuffle, shape, shh. Very good. Beginning sounds in thankful, thunder, thumb. Beginning sounds in chimney, child, chapter. Beginning sounds in shake, shield, shine. I'm going to say the sounds and you're going to blend the word. Some of these have 4 sounds. Get ready to listen. Sharpen up those listening skills. Are you ready? Let's do it. Old. P. Ch. Sh. Nt. Find. Chomp. Toast. Ask. Ift. Ending sounds. Tell me what sound you hear at the end of crumb, shield, sandwich, scribe, fierce, blown, slight. Page 1, all done. Let's move on to my favorite part. You know what it is. It's time for me to say a word and for you to chop the sounds. Now, for today, just for fun, because it's totally terrific Taco Tuesday, you get to choose your chopping tool today. If you want to use your power arm, use your power arm. If you want to use a karate chop, you can use a karate chop. If you want to use scissors, you could use scissors. So if I wanted to chop the sounds in hunt, it would look like this. N. If you want to do karate chop, it would look like this. N. If you want to use your power arm, it would look like this. N. Hunt. Ready? All right. I say a word, then you say a word, then chop it, chop it. I say a word, then you say a word, then chop it, smash. Tent. Paint. Hind. Chest. Shaft. Pinch. Beast. Coach. Nice job. All right, we're going to add beginning sounds to a word part. Ready? Add cl to ub, club. Add bull to uff, bluff. Try these by yourself. Add full to ag. Add pull to edge. Add sl to it. Deleting sounds. Clam without coal. Fly without fool. Slick without slew. Glove without goal. Plan without pool. Page 2, all through. All right, we're going to change the beginning sounds to these words. Change fan to pull. Rack to bull. Change tub to coal. Change moss to goal. Change wag to fool. Wow, friends, did you hear a lot of those L blends in that exercise? Get ready for your letter sounds. All right, let's blend these words. First of all, let me make sure that these are not topsy-turvy, even though I know that your skills are so sharp and so on point. It would not matter if they were topsy-turvy because you are so smart and you're working so hard at home. Keep it up. Here we go. Blend, coal, picture, clock. Blend, picture, full, slide. Blend, picture. Very good. Let's say it together. Goal, glove. Excellent work. Blend, picture. Ready? Pull, plane. Blend, picture. Full, flower. Last one. Blend, picture. Bull, block. We're working on 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Love this nursery rhyme. It's actually one of my favorites. Are you ready? I want to see you sport your best swag and your best dance moves when you're doing this 1, 2, buckle my shoe. But first we're going to say it the formal way. So I want you to put your hands like this, and we're going to sit up big and tall and use a very fancy and formal voice like this. And then we're going to break it down. So in your top formal fancy voice, sometimes I like to sound like this when I say my formal fancy voice. We shall do this as seriously as possible because we know that in kindergarten, everything is serious. Say that with me. Everything is so serious. We never laugh. We never have fun. Everything has to be so absolutely serious. And in fact, I'm going to even make it even more serious by putting my glasses like these. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. All right, shake it off. And now it's time to break it on down the fun way. Because, you know, in kindergarten, that's all we do. We have fun. It's not serious. It's not formal. It's supposed to be fun. So I want you to add your own flair. Now that we got it all out with our serious and fancy voice, it's time to break it on down. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Strike your pose. Nice job today, friends, with phonemic awareness. Well, as mentioned yesterday, we're going to be learning strategies for sounding out tricky words. Now, what does it mean when your parents at home say sound it out? What does that mean? When you come to a word that's difficult, what does it mean to sound it out? Well, basically it means you take everything that you know about letters and everything that you know about sounds to put those sounds and letters together when you're reading a word. Now, today, I want to teach you a strategy with a tricky letter that appears in lots of words, and it's the letter Y. Can you say Y? Y. We know that the letter Y says yeah, but when you see A and Y together, I want to teach you a pattern today. These are tricky words. You can't sound out the Y. It actually makes the A say a long A sound. So today's strategy is going to be to know what to say and how to pronounce words that have A-Y in them. I've highlighted them here, A-Y. And here's a little note. It makes the long A sound. So I want to show you this list of words that I have for us to practice. See the letter in black? You're going to say that sound. Ready? B. Now say this as a chunk and say A. B. A. Put them together. Bay. Read it. Bay. Very good. The next word. Say the sound. D. Word chunk. A. Day. Your turn. Good. Next word. H. A. Say it together. Hey. Good. Next one. O, A, lay. Good. Next one, say the sound. A, may. So if I were to ask you, please read all of the words in these columns, I want you to make sure that you're not sounding out the Y, because that Y makes the A say A. It's not going to sound like this, b-a-ya. No, it's pronounced A, b-a, bay. Now, instead of saying b-a, I want you to read the word, put those sounds together. Ready, go. With my help, here we go. Bay, day, hay, lay, may. Go to this one. Go to this one. One more. Let's move on to the middle row here. And in fact, I'm going to fold this over so we can concentrate only on the middle column here. Ready? Put this sound with that word chunk. Ready? P-A. Read the word. Pay. Good. Sound. A. Ray. Ready? S-A. Say. W-A. Way. Y-A. Yay. Ready? Read the whole column with me. Pay, ray, say, way, yay. Go to this word. Try this one. Try this one. Excellent job. Now the last column is a challenge column. Are you ready for a challenge? Give me a thumbs up. I better see all those thumbs up, my friends, because in kindergarten we accept challenges because we know they make us stronger and smarter. Okay, last column. We've been working on blends. Okay, let me see if I can scoot this on over so you can just focus on that last column. These words are going to have some of those blends, so they're not power arm words. Ready? Now, what sound does A-Y make? A. So we're going to put the first two sounds together. Ready? Read it as a blend. Cl, A. Read the word. Clay. Clay. Good job. Read the blend. Grr. A. Gray. Good. Next one. Pull. A. Play. Good. Next one. Purr. A. Pray. Try this one. St. St. A. Stay. Tr. A. Tray. Last one, friends. Here we go. Swa. A. Sway. Listen to me read the column and then you can try it. Ready? Clay, gray, play, pray, stay, tray, sway. Your turn. Great job. Give yourself a pat on the back. Today we learned that words with AY make the A say A, and we don't pronounce the Y. It makes the A sound, the long A sound. Now tomorrow I'm going to teach you another thing that Y does. I know, Y does a lot of crazy things besides say yeah. But in this lesson we know that AY says what sound? A. We're going to move right along. And this week we're going to be learning about capacity. Can you say that word? Capacity. Clap it out. Capacity. On your lap. Capacity. Cabbage Patch. Capacity. Well, capacity basically means how much can something fit. I know. How much liquid can fit, how much dirt can fit into something, how much can something fit into something else. I want to show you some containers. I've been doing lots of gardening. In fact, this weekend we planted our pumpkin seeds and it's so exciting. Remember the purple onion that I shared with you on Earth Day? We planted those purple onions and we can't wait to see what happens. So let me show you some containers because I've been doing a lot of gardening. Here's one container. And here's another container. Which container do you think holds more? This one or this one? Let me show you this way. Which one would hold more? If you said this container, you are absolutely correct. This could hold more capacity than this one. It would hold more dirt than this one. All right, let me show you another thing. I have this beautiful watering can that was given to me by one of my students last year named Jameson. And if Jameson, if you're watching today, because I know your little sister Riley is in Miss Yorenda's class, thank you for making my garden that much more beautiful with your beautiful, special watering can. Here's what it says. Thank you for helping me bloom. Love this. I love watering my garden with this. Now, it's very big. Can you see it's even bigger than my face? Now, I want to show you something. Will this hold more water or will this hold more water? Which one holds more? I hope you said this one. Absolutely, because it's bigger. So here's what I'd like for you to try today. When you're doing your iExcel time, I would like for you to go ahead and log into the Math Kindergarten tab, and I'll show you how to get there. It's up here under Math, and I want you to find this category that's called, I think I might have lost it. Give me just a moment. Here we go. It's under section T called measurement, because this is a form of measurement, capacity. And I want you to find the section that says T5. We're going to hit that. And this skill is called holds more or less. So the question says, which pot holds more? What do you think, friends? Which pot holds more? This one or this one? This one, because it's bigger. Every time you make a correct choice on iExcel, it gives you awesome points at the top. So I just earned 10 points by answering that question. Which can hold less? Which can holds less? So now we're looking at which one doesn't hold more, but which one looks smaller. What do you think? This one or this one? Definitely this one. And I earned more points. Okay, let's do one more. Which bottle holds less? Well, we know that less is not, it means basically which one's going to hold smaller amounts, right? Which one will have less capacity? This one. Good. I would like for you to try this skill so you can practice capacity today. We know that capacity means how much can something hold. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Totally Terrific Taco Tuesday. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day as well. I'm thinking about you all day and all night, and I miss you. I know all of us teachers miss you greatly. I hope you had fun reciting 1, 2, buckle my shoe with a fancy voice. If you have any other ideas of how we can recite that, I would love to hear your ideas. Have a wonderful rest of your day.